772 pages yun. Hindi mahanap yun. Why don't we make it easy for them na ipakita, okay, simula sa distrito na to, ito total budget, ito mga proyekto, ito total budget, ito, tsaka doon, can you tell me, paano po hahanapin doon yung pinopose ng party list?
behalf for our agencies present here today.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Ito, Madam Chair, last year, kaya kailangan ulitin to, last year ko pa to tinanong. Nung third reading, and I even wrote you regarding this, no? Malaki po yung kontrobersya sa DPWH projects, no? I requested last year nung third reading, I requested the chair na ilabas yung budget per districts at ilabas yung budgets per party list. Summarize, para alam natin magkano yung total per district at magkano yung total DPWH per party list at saan pumunta yon. Ngayon lumabas na po yung NEP ng DPWH. I am requesting again na sa NEP pa lang, i-post po natin sa ating website yung budgets per district para makita ng lahat yung mga budget ng DPWH per district at yung budget ng DPWH per party list at saan po ito napunta. Sasabihin ulit, hindi po ito kasama sa DBCC. Pero last year, kailan pa ako magkakaroon ng opportunity? Last year, tinanong pa yan nung third reading. Sumulat ako hanggang ngayon, walang sagot for the 2026. So palampasin na natin yung 2026. 2027, bakit hindi po natin, kung talagang gusto natin ng transparency, bakit hindi natin ipakita magkano ang budget per district, magkano ang budget per party list, at saan po ito napunta?
Representative Tiangco, what is contained in the NEP? In the NEP itself, if you would look at the budget of DPWH, meron na rin naman pong mga totals doon per DEO. So there's a regional total. There's also a total per district engineering offices. So those information are actually already contained in the NEP itself and later on when the HGAB is filed.
Hindi po kaya i-total yun ng ordinaryong mamamayan, Madam Chair. 772 pages yun. Hindi mahanap yun. Why don't we make it easy for them na ipakita, okay, simula sa distrito na to, ito total budget, ito mga proyekto, ito total budget, ito, tsaka doon, can you tell me, paano po hahanapin doon yung pinopose ng party list? How will we know sinong party list ang proponent doon sa budget na yon kung hindi po natin ilalabas?
Representative Tiangco, again, there are no proponents for the project. So like if you would look at the HGAB and the NEP, you would see that there are totals per district engineering offices. So there is actually no way to us to be able to create a summary of what are proposed by party list members as opposed to district representatives because there are no such thing as.
Meron po yan, Madam Chair. Hindi naman tayo pinanganak.
But again, for the information that is being asked for, which would be the summary of the budget per district engineering office, per regional office, they're all contained there in the NEP, within the DPWH budget itself. Makikita nyo po yun, naka-separate out po yan sa NEP. Within the DPWH budget, you already have the totals per district engineering office, and in the annexes, you have there the line items in terms of the project. So, lahat po ng impormasyon na yun, nandun na po yun sa NEP at sa HGAB.
Madam Chair, nakasulat po yun sa NEP, pero hindi po nakatotal per district. Kaka-check po lang po. Anyway, yun lang po hinihingi ko. So, pwede bang, kasi yung DPWH budget is 772 pages. So kung hahanapin po yan ng mga kababayan natin, mahihirapan po sila. Hindi ba pwedeng padaliin natin, ihiwalayin lang natin yung mga proyekto per district? Yun lang po ang hiling ko. Pwede po ba?